Wonderful, very nice. Nose in, Hadi, mashallah, very good. Nose in landing, awesome. That needs a high five. Yeah. Big boy high five. Yeah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings. Arish here, Abdul Haadi and Arish here, and we are going to fly our helicopters once again. Today Abdul Haadi is flying BO105, Arish is flying Spy helicopter, and Baba is flying K110S, which Arish is going to fly later, okay? Alright, let's take off. One by one, go. Come on, Hadi. What are you waiting for? Wait, Hadi, I give you more speed because your helicopter is... Yes, put it on the number 3. Wonderful. Now you will have better control. Okay, so today's task is to fly around like Hadi is doing already. Hadi, slow down. Today's task is to fly around in circles. Can you do figure 8 like Baba is doing? Slowly, see? Make a figure 8. Almost hit Hadi's helicopter. Hadi, bring it closer, please. Don't go to the riverside. Come, let's hover together. Oh, okay, sorry, my bad. Hadi, come on closer. What are you doing there? Good, Arish. You are doing nose in hovering. That's very nice. You need to improve those nose in, side in skills. Mr. Hadi, why are you so high up there?
I like to fly.
You like to fly higher. Okay, bring it closer to us here. See, we are hovering together. Slowly, yes. Down a little. Wonderful. That's nice. 3 helicopters hovering together. Now let's fly in formation, shall we? But we'll try. Hadi, practice flying forward slowly, just like Baba is doing. See, Baba is making slow and nice circles, right? You try to practice to fly like that. Come on. Don't go too high, too far, because once you lose the sight, you will not be able to bring it back.
Raining?
It's not raining. Oh, yes, it is raining. A big one came. Only one big drop on my index finger.
I said so many. I have 2 big drops. I was 3 on my radio.
Really? How do you landing? Come on, keep flying. Practice flying, come on. Okay, Baba is in 3D mode. Let's see if my XK K110S can fly inverted. Yeah, it can still fly inverted. Look at that. Oh, those drops are really big, huge drops, man. Right? Those drops are really huge. So 3 helicopters hovering there. Let's not hit each other.
On my hand.
On my foot.
On my shoulder.
Look at those drops, man. They are really big. So my boys are getting their skills polished now, mashallah. And they're actually flying and enjoying to fly. The thing is, right now they are flying these toy helicopters which have altitude hold, so they will not learn throttle control, which is a really very important skill. So I will inshallah start moving them slowly to helicopters like K110S, Align T15, M1, Goose Sky S2 Legend. Inshallah, slowly they will move on to these so they can learn the throttle control. Later, Arish is going to fly this K110S, right? Give yourself a big challenge today. Come on, Hadi. Where's your helicopter? Oh, your helicopter is there, mashallah. Go stand in the shadows. Yes, don't catch heat stroke. Wonderful, very nice. Nose in, Hadi, mashallah, very good. Nose in landing, awesome. That needs a high five. Yeah. Big boy high five. Yeah. Fly more, you still have batteries, fly more.